I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment. She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away.
ゴールドだよ。名古屋からお土産。
すごいね。
青くって名古屋って言ったんだよ。
すごいね。
そうだよ。
はい。Yan guys, nakauwi na si Tem. And malapit na rin matapos yung niluluto ko guys. Dono guray taberu?
Taberu.
Shiru iru? Iranai?
ごめんなさいだけ。どうしよう、27さ飲み会あるって言ってるけど。
いいよ。
4000。
いいよ。Kain tayo guys. Beef with broccoli.
Loving for another day, but she asked for.
Hi guys! So ngayon, magluluto na tayo ng dinner. And hindi rin ako masyado nakapag-vlog ngayon guys. Kasi wala rin naman akong ginawa masyado ngayon. So magluluto na tayo ngayon ng dinner. And half bath na rin ako. And bago ako maligo guys, hiniwa ko muna itong mga kakailanganin. And ang lulutuin natin today guys is Japanese curry. And nakapagluto na rin ako ng rice, kaya lulutuin na lang natin to. And 7:09 na ngayon. And sabi ni Tem, mga 8 PM daw siya makakauwi. So sakto lang guys. So, luto na tayo.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games and situations.
So, habang hinihintay natin maluto yung Japanese curry guys, titiklopin ko muna tong mga damit na nilaban ko.
Staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right.
Tadaima.
Kairi. Babu. Kairi.
Antes munday.
Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
So, yan guys. Kain tayo.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands. through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. So ngayon, magluluto na tayo ng breakfast, and breakfast for today is pancake. So gagawa tayo ng pancake. So yan. So luto na tayo guys.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Wow. Umilit sa lupa. So this.
Kore amai choko janai to. Nigai choko da to.
Maybe.
味見だけするよ。
美味しいよ。
私はいらないから。
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Hi guys! So ngayon, magluluto na tayo ng dinner kasi it's 6:19 na. Tapos today guys, hindi rin ako nag-video kasi wala rin masyadong ganap. Naglaba lang din ako, tapos nag-edit na. So yun lang yung ganap ko today guys, kaya hindi na ako nag-video. So ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng dinner. So, ang lulutuin ko ngayon guys is yung ginataang manok.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way, cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning.
So, yan guys, nahiwa na natin yung chicken, then onion, garlic. Tapos ito guys, nagtira din ako kasi plano ko bukas ng umaga mag-fried rice. Kaya ito para sa fried rice bukas. And nag-chop muna ako guys, pero magluluto na lang ako pagka mga 6:45 na. So yun guys, magluto na tayo dahil 45 na. Kasi guys, sa season ngayon, yung uwi ni Tem, bago mag-8, nakaka-uwi na siya ng bahay. Pero pag mga August, September, lagi siyang late umuwi kasi busy sa work niya. So, unahin ko muna yung onion, guys. Kanina, guys, tinanong ko si Tem kung mga what time siya makaka-uwi. Sabi niya, before 8 daw, nasa bahay na siya. Kaya, sakto lang siguro yung oras ng pagluluto. Gusto ko kasi guys, pag umuwi si Tem, bagong luto lagi yung niluluto ko para mainit-init pa pagka kumain na kami. So ngayon guys, nag-text na sa akin si Tem and pauwi na daw siya. And ito guys, nilagyan ko siya ng siling labuyo para may konti siyang anghang. Yan guys, sa tingin ko okay na naman to. So bago natin patayin guys, tikman ulit natin kung okay na ba siya. Yummy. Okay na sa akin to guys. Medyo may konting sipa siya ng anghang. And si Tem kasi guys, ayaw niya nang masyadong manghang. Kaya, konting-konti lang nilagay ko. Kaya, sa plate ko na lang siguro lalagyan ng maraming sili yung sa akin. So, ngayon guys, ihahanda ko na yung pagkain kasi malapit na siya umuwi at gutom na daw siya. Kairi. Thank you. Pasalubong for today, guys. Ne, これぐらい足りる? So, yan guys. Tinagdagan ko lang ng sili. Kain tayo!
それじゃ。
それだ。
思い出した。
だからなんかありそう。
船見たら思い出した。これ？おいしいの。うん？そうそうおいしい。おいしい。
めっちゃ唐辛子入れた。あ、こっちはない。あるけど、ちょっとだけ。辛くないですよ。
ちょっとじゃない。
ちょっとだけです。Guys, oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo guys. Nakakalbo na ako. Oh my gosh. Hindi ganito to dati guys. Good morning guys. So Fridays with this breakfast. Good morning guys! So ngayon, hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-video kasi late na ako nagising. And breakfast for today is fried rice. Kain tayo guys!